So how very inconvenient. I finished this table runner at a retreat, got it all bound and put it on the wall to take pictures, and discovered that this block is quarter turned. This one should look like this one. See the difference? This should be here. Well, of course, I threw away all of the scraps, and there were very, very few of them. So I have got to pick it out and turn it around. So I thought I'd show you the process that I go through when I've made this kind of great big mistake. Okay, step one, I've taken out all of the quilting that was in there. And of course, as you can see, it was also on the edge. So the binding has been taken out that far. I still have to take out my stitch in the ditch all along all three sides. Okay, we're moving right along. Here's our misplaced block. It has been removed all the way around, and now it needs to be replaced this way to make it correct. So I'm going to probably hand applique the piece back in, as well as replace the binding where it belongs. I'm going to demonstrate the stitch that I'm taking to stitch this back in place. It's really just an applique stitch. This piece is folded over and is on top of the other piece. So it's just a simple applique stitch, trying to come in as close to the edge as I can so that that stitch does not show. Okay, we are in corrected mode. Here's our corrected piece. You can still see the outline of the quilting, but I think that after I steam that and replace the quilting, that will pretty much go away. And you see that the binding is on there again and looks pretty darn good. So I think that has corrected the piece, and the final picture will be after the quilting is replaced. Finished, and so glad that that is over. Just glad I was able to show you that even when the pieces are in the wrong place, it is fixable.